Hey everyone, Joffre here and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving deep into the latest mid-range marvel, the Oppo Reno 12 Pro 5G. This phone promises a whole lot of tech for your back. So let's see if it delivers. But before that, if you are new here, subscribe and click the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Let's get started. My first impression, this phone is sleek. The phones get this really cool, almost futuristic design with a smooth, flat back that catches the light and these subtly curved edges that feel great in the hand. It's lightweight too, which is a big plus for me. Speaking of the display, Oppo's really outdone themselves here. The phones get a big, beautiful quad-curve 6.7-inch AMOLED display. Now some users might knock it off for not being Quad HD+, but honestly, for everyday use, the Full HD Plus resolution 1080x2412 pixels is plenty sharp. Plus, 120Hz refresh rate, which is super smooth, and the peak brightness of 1200 nits is insane for this price range. No matter how bright it gets outside, you'll be able to see everything on this screen perfectly. One thing to note, the bezels are super thin, giving you this immersive, almost bezel-less viewing experience. Oh, thumbs up also to Oppo for including Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. You know, those accidental drops happen, and these screens are protected. It won't scratch and break easily. Alright, now let's talk about the engine under the hood. The Oppo Reno 12 Pro packs a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy, a 4nm processor with a clock speed of octa-core 2.5 GHz. Paired with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, which is plenty enough. Now, this is a mid-range chip, but for everyday tasks and even some light gaming, it holds its own. I ran a few benchmarks and those scores were decent. You won't be tapping leaderboards with this phone, but for browsing, social media, and streaming, it's smooth sailing. Battery life? It is also a big thumbs up. The 5000 mAh battery is a beast. And with 80 watts SuperVOOC flash charge, you can get from 0 to 100% in just 46 minutes. Seriously, I plugged this phone in for like 18 minutes and it was already 47% halfway charged. Now, moving on to the camera department, the Oppo Reno 12 Pro is no slouch. You get a triple camera system on the back with a 50MP main sensor, an f1.8 aperture, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 50MP telephoto lens. Photos taken in good lighting look great, nice colors, and good detail. The phone also shines in low light conditions, thanks to some clever AI processing. Night shots are clear and bright, with minimal noise. Videography is another strong point. The phone can shoot in 4K at 30 FPS, and the stabilization is decent as well. You can capture all those live moments without any shaky footage. Let's not forget some of the other cool features. The phone has this cool AI assistant that can help you with a bunch of tasks, and there are a bunch of handy AI camera features too. It also supports an IP65 dust and water resistant rating, so you don't have to worry about getting caught in the light drizzles. Alright, so here is my final thoughts. So, is the Oppo Reno 12 Pro 5G the perfect phone for you? Actually, no phone is perfect. But for the price, this one offers a whole lot of bang for your buck. It's got a beautiful display, a capable processor, a fantastic camera, and a crazy fast charging. If you're looking for a stylish and powerful mid-range phone with 5G connectivity, the Oppo Reno 12 Pro 5G is definitely worth considering. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Oppo Reno 12 Pro 5G. Let me know what you guys think of this device in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe, click the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.